Hi, I'm Dr. Yung Price, Integrative and Holistic Physician, naturopath, and founder of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Now, over your lifetime, how many hours do you think you've spent stressing about stuff? How many nights have you lain awake not being able to let go of thinking about something that's maybe worrying you? 100 hours, 1,000 hours, maybe even 10,000 hours. Well, just imagine if you could instantly clear your stress surrounding anything that's worrying you. How great would that be? Anytime that you felt confused, worried, or concerned about an issue, and you could wipe that out magically, away the stress. It would be a lifesaver, wouldn't it? How much would such a solution be worth to you? Now imagine that you had something that could unlock your creativity, your focus, your attention, and personal power. There'd be no more writer's block, no more bursting in your brains just to come up with some work solutions, just pure focus, creativity, and attention. Solutions to your problem. Now that would be fantastic, wouldn't it? And how much would that be worth to you? Well, would you believe me if I told you that I had created a device that not only instantly cleared energetic stress, but could also unlock your personal power, your focus, and creativity? You'd probably think I was crazy. Well, I'm here to tell you that I have such a device. My powerful and amazing Clear Create Crystal. And today I'm here to tell you and show you how it actually works. My Clear Create Crystal is the product of years of research, development, and testing. And the research and development alone cost well over thousands and thousands of dollars. You see, I've learned many years ago that crystals have the power to store and transmit information, and I've used this knowledge to develop my Clear Create Crystal. And this knowledge about the power of crystals to store and transmit and focus information is just not some new age belief. It's actually firmly rooted in modern science. You see, your quartz crystal watch and the silicon quartz processor in your smartphone and computer all use the power of crystals to store, focus, and transmit data and information. Crystals store and transmit information through vibrations, and this happens when electricity is used to induce a crystal to vibrate at a particular frequency, just like your watch quartz crystal or your computer's silicon processor. But it can also happen through the use of more advanced technology, like that used by me in my conscious health programs. Now, over the past decades, I've learned to direct consciousness, use holographic tools, vibrational technology, and other cutting-edge science to energetically transfer and store powerful healing information and data in crystals. I've also traveled the globe to learn from energy healing masters, scientists, doctors, and others about how to effectively activate such healing programs to benefit my patients. And after years of developing and refining and testing many different solutions and, looking at energy healing modalities, I've developed what is known now my Clear Create crystals. And now you can also benefit from this powerful technology to clear your own energetic stress around any stress that you might have and bring in back your focus and attention. So whilst this clear crystal may look unassuming and plain, I assure you they're anything but. They're chock full of energetic programs that induce a relaxing state of calm when activated. They also overflow with hundreds of holographic instructions that when activated will surround you with an energetic template that promotes clear thinking, opens up your individual power, and focuses your concentration so you can come up with more powerful solutions. Sounds great, doesn't it? Well, let's look at how my Clear Create Crystal works. Something like this, or like this. To clear an issue that's on your mind that's causing you stress, this is step number 1. You want to connect consciously with the problem, both mentally and emotionally. Step number 2, you say a statement that defines the problem for you. It's best if you say that statement out loud. Step 3, you spin your Clear Create Crystal anti-clockwise, right, to the left while focusing on your problem. And step 4, you repeat the process until you feel that there's an energetic change in your body. And this may take a few spins depending on the issue. And that's it. Just repeat this process whenever you feel stress and then watch what happens. It will pleasantly surprise you. Now, to create an energetic template of creativity, focus, and attention, step number 1, clear any stress around the issue that you've been wanting increase creativity for by using the following process. Step 2, say a statement out loud about what you want. In other words, state your intention positively. And step 3, you spin the clear create crystal clockwise to the right while focusing on your intention statement. And step 4, you repeat the process until you feel an energetic change. And you might want to regularly spin your clear create crystals as you work or think to keep your creativity and focus maximized. So now you can get a real feel for how the clear create crystal works. So let's look at some examples of clear create issues together. We most often get stressed around relationships, work, finance, and personal issues. For example, one of your kids may be worrying you about their school or uni efforts. And in this instance, you could develop a statement like, I'm worried about that Ashley won't focus on her university studies. That's making me feel angry towards her. Or you could be concerned about your elderly mother's health issues. A clear statement could be, I'm stressed about whether we need to put mum in a nursing home. So I'm sure you agree that it's quite easy to come up with a lot of stress statements. You probably can think of at least a dozen of your own right now. So let's look at the create side now. And all you need here is a positive intention statement. Just figure out an outcome you want and say it in a positive way. For example, I create clear options about how to market this product, right? And you actually spin. I attract creative solutions to managing my mum's illness. And make sure you've cleared any stress around this issue first. Or thirdly, another example, I come up with ideas so I can have a fun day that's relaxing and full of laughter. Yes, you can even make your intention statement that broad. So now you've got an idea of the sorts of things that can be cleared and created. Let's do some clearing and creating together. Firstly, get out your clear create crystal and place it on a flat surface like a table. Easiest when the crystal is on a piece of paper or post-it note to keep it from spinning uncontrollably or loudly. Now think of an issue that's causing you stress, a work issue, a family issue, or even a personal issue. And turn that issue into a verbal statement that defines it for you and say the issue out loud. Now as you focus on that issue, spin your clear create crystal anti-clockwise to the left. And keep spinning it a few times as you focus on that. And then check in. How do you feel about that issue now? Can you connect with the stress or do you feel it's gone? If the stress remains, repeat the process until you feel calm about the issue. Now that you can clear a stressful issue, let's go to work now together to create a powerful environment of creativity, attention, and focus for you. First, have a clear create crystal on a flat surface. Now go ahead and think of a situation where you'd like some extra creative power or focus or ability to give you undivided attention. Once you've done that, ask yourself, do I have any stresses around this issue? If so, clear the stress using the clear create crystal first. Now create an intention statement that explains exactly what you want as an outcome. You can be very specific or it can be very general. Just make it outcome focused and positive. It doesn't really matter. You just want to experiment and practice. As you focus your intention, and then spin the clear create crystal clockwise to the right. Keep spinning it until you feel a change. And then when you start spinning, if you feel like you're starting to become blocked or you want greater creativity, you want to clear that. So it's that simple. Your clear create crystal will never run out of power. It doesn't get worn out either. It's also here to help bring out the best in you. And to keep it functioning in tip-top condition, keep it away from Wi-Fi or other signals, like you don't want to leave it next to your mobile phone for long periods of time. And every couple months or so, like any other crystal, sit it outside on a night in a clear full moon or a sunny day. You can also put it in a glass of water when you put it outside. And you could even drink the water afterwards, as the water molecules will be charged with the vibrations of the crystal. So now, if you have any questions about how to use your clear create crystal, please contact me. The BGH website and our BGH Facebook page have lots of useful information about energy healing and general health and well-being, so please check them out. I'd love to hear about how you use the Clear Create Crystal to make your life calmer, more creative, and more fun. So please do keep in contact. And as you use this Clear Create Crystal every day, you'll become more attuned to its effect. You connect with your crystal more deeply, and its power in your life will grow. So I hope now that you find your Clear Create Crystal as powerful as I do to help you achieve the sort of life you've always wanted. Thanks for listening.